To enable or disable live transcribe in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down, and then we can enter accessibility right here. Go for hearing enhancements, and then you'll be able to find the live transcribe, and then you can enable it right here. You can use 4 different options to actually enable it. The first one is tap button in quick settings panel. That means the panel right here. The other way is tap accessibility button. You will see a button floating around your screen. You can press side and volume up button. That means this button and this button at the same time. And you can press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds to activate this. So now when you know how to turn it on, you simply need to click on or activate one of the options that you've decided, and that way we'll activate our live transcribe. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.